Hey everyone, so welcome back. So today's video I'm going to be trying out this electric detangler by Remington. I don't know if you guys have seen my previous videos of where I tried out Remington's blow dryer. You should definitely check it out. I'll link it above and down below. So today I'm going to be trying out their detangler. I have never used this before, so I'm a bit nervous to see how it works on my hair. So this is it straight out of the box. It comes with a nice little cap, which is neat. So it comes with a cap. It has 8 teeth. They look like that. Just looking at it, they do look to be a little bit on the sharp side. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they do appear to be a little bit sharp. Hopefully not sharp enough to do any damage to my hair. And it has just a simple on and off button right here. And it has a really thin shape to it, so it's really easy to hold in your hand, whether you have big hands or small hands. Yeah, that's pretty much it. On the box is a picture of a girl with a looser hair type than mine. I don't know what it is because her hair kind of just looks wavy. So I'm really curious to see how this is gonna work on my kinky, coily, curly hair. So let's turn it on so you guys can see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. So it doesn't hurt. I just put it on my hand while it was on. Doesn't hurt at all. And it's made out of plastic. It's actually really flimsy. The teeth are really flimsy. Let me show you guys. The teeth are really flimsy, so that's good. Also, it does come with 2 AA batteries, which is great. It was a little rough opening up the casing here. It can be used on wet or dry hair. That's what it says on the box. So let's put this to the test. Let's see how this actually works on type 4 hair. I already went ahead and moisturized this section. I haven't detangled yet, and I'm not sure how big of a section I should use. So I'm gonna go a little bit smaller since my hair is fairly thick. So you guys can see how big this section is. I'm gonna go a little bit smaller, so half of that. Put this side away and do this side. I'm actually really scared. All right, so this side is nice and moisturized. It's tangled, but I'm gonna start at the very ends and work my way up. Let's turn this thing on. Okay. Okay, not too bad. Not bad at all. Ew. So I'm dealing with postpartum shedding, so I'm gonna lose some hair, which is gonna be normal for me. But it was very gentle. It was pretty gentle. Not bad. Okay. So that section's done. I'm gonna go ahead and twist that up. I did see other reviews of other ladies using this and they liked it. So, but again, their hair was much looser, so I was afraid that my hair would have probably got caught or it wouldn't be able to go through the bristles, but it did pretty good. So I'm gonna move on to another section and see how that works. So going in again, starting at the ends. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and twisted up my hair and my hair feels pretty good. There's no knots or any tangles, which is great. My twists look good as well. They're nice and smooth. So this brush isn't too bad, but would I actually recommend people to try it out? Probably not. I don't think it's like fantastic. I feel like I can do a better job with using my comb, my white tooth comb, versus using something like this. I feel like the bristles on this are a little bit too sharp for my liking. I feel like maybe over time it may do some damage to my hair. I don't know. They're not like, I don't know. You guys would have to see this in person to really be able to understand what I'm talking about. But I feel like with the bristles spinning and how fine and how sharp the bristles are, I feel like this is not a good tool for someone with my hair type. So let's say type 4 and above. I don't think this tool is appropriate for our hair type. Someone with finer hair or looser curls, I definitely can see them getting away with this. I don't remember how much it was. I think it was about 30. Came in pretty quickly, about a week I want to say, from Amazon. So it wasn't too bad, but you can also find it at Walmart, I believe. One thing I will say that I did not like about this is how tiny the screw is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but if you don't have a screwdriver that is small enough to open this, you're not going to get it open because you can't use a knife because it's so tiny. And if you do use a knife, you're going to end up damaging the screw, or even where the screw has to fit in, you'll end up damaging it. I had to go through a toolbox and find a screwdriver, but most people won't have one of these little things. It seems like it would be a great tool for someone who doesn't have my type of hair. So that is pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely want to try a few more hair tools on my hair and see how they work for my hair type.